In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Steam Workshop files on your PC. We'll walk through where these files live on your computer and how to connect what you've subscribed to in Steam with the folders you see in Windows. Start by opening the Steam application on your PC. If you aren't already signed in, go ahead and sign into your Steam account so you can access your games and community features. On the Steam home screen, look along the top and head to the Community tab. This is where community-created content is featured and organized. Inside Community, click on Workshop. The Workshop is where you find mods, maps, and other custom content for games that support it. Once you're in the Workshop, open Subscribed Items. This page shows everything you've chosen to download from the Workshop. It's a handy reference because it lists the games and specific items you've subscribed to, which you'll match up with folders in a moment. Now switch over to File Explorer on your PC. We're going to navigate to where Steam stores Workshop downloads. Go to your primary hard drive, which is usually the C drive. If you've installed Steam on a different drive, open that drive instead. From there, go to Program Files x86, then open the Steam folder. Inside Steam, open the Steam Apps directory. This is where Steam keeps installed games and related content, including Workshop data. Next, open the Workshop folder, and then open the Content folder. You're now in the place that holds the downloaded Workshop files. Inside Content, you'll see a set of numbered folders. Each number corresponds to a specific game on Steam. When you open one of these game folders, you'll find more numbered folders inside, each representing a particular Workshop item you subscribe to. To make sense of what's what, refer back to your subscribed items in the Steam Workshop. Use the game name there to find the matching numbered game folder here, and then explore the item folders within. The files you see inside are the mod files that Steam downloaded for you. Keep in mind that some games read these files directly from here, while others may copy or convert them elsewhere when the game launches. Avoid editing or moving files while a game or Steam is actively updating, and consider making backups before changing anything. If something you expect isn't here, double-check that you're looking on the correct drive or that the item is still subscribed and fully downloaded. That's it, you've found your Steam Workshop files on your PC. Thanks for watching.